Alright folks, what we got here is a Warner and Swasey. It's a 2A Warner and Swasey, and you'll have to excuse the background noise. We're right on Route 20, which is a major route here through Perry. The nice thing is when we sell something that goes out of here, the truckers are a couple minutes from the freeway, so get pretty good rates. It's an older machine. In fact, it's one of the older 2A Swaseys I've ever seen, but it comes pretty well tooled. I'm going to sell it all the tools inside a chip pan. It's got jaws, it's got some more flange holders, the turret. Let's see here. Turret works fine. The stop turns and everything with it. Lamp's done. So that one works. This one here needs a retime. Move, so I'm gonna try to sell this thing as is. You can see some of the chips down in here. It was doing some drilling. The last thing it must have done was drilling. Unfortunately, the fella died. But this drill bit has aluminum chips all over it, so I'm gonna guess it was that drill that was running. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it just so you can see it doing its thing. All the feeds, all the speeds seem to work there. Feed. See different feed speeds. Working there. In direction. I love these old turret lathes. Rapid works on it. Feed on the turret. Yeah, different speeds on the turret. Force 5. All in all, kind of a nice little machine. So, if you have any questions, feel free to call me. Again, I'm trying to sell it out of here quick. I don't want to spend a lot of money on it, because if I spend money on it, I got to charge more. But you can see the rapid work. The only thing that I can see that really needs attention here is probably taking this off, retiming it. And if it doesn't sell, if that's the only thing that's stopping it from selling, I can fix that. Chuck looks like a decent chuck. It's got a chuck wrench. And it's a good sized chuck, feels good, jaws look good. The serial number on this thing is like 457,000. Excuse me. That's easier to read. 407,156. 407,156. Again, it's an old turret lathe. It's an old Warner and Swasey, made right here in Cleveland, Ohio. Swasey was a big manufacturer back in the day. Made a lot of these things. People love them. So make it yours. I don't want to scrap it.